What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a one brand tutorial testing Catrice. It's not really like a one brand, it's kind of like what's new from Catrice. I have like coffee or something on my lip. Catrice sent me out a whole bag of goodies of their new products that are coming out. It's the Ready Steady Gold collection and I'm really excited to try them. One of the products that I'm actually most keen to try, and I know this is kind of like an odd thing to want to try so badly, but it's their new primer. It's called the Tensational 10-in-1 Dream Primer, and I'm really keen to give that a go because it says it does 10 different things in one primer. Interesting. They did send me out a brow product, which I'm keen to try also, if I can get it out of here. Sorry for making all that noise. Obviously, I always do my brows first, so I'm going to go in with the Brow Comb Pro Micro Pen. We're just going to check this out. Very unusual. It has like teeny tiny bristles. So, oh my god, what's going on with your brows, Ashley? Oh, they're insane. I'm just going to take my Goof Proof just for the comb side, because my brows are looking, whoa, that's kind of scary actually. How did that happen? So I'm just going to comb this product through my brows. I used a product like this from Essence and I wasn't feeling it. I'm just going to keep using the comb on the Goof Proof because I have no comb with this one. Even though I know it's like implied that the comb is in it. This is supposed to create like those like fluffy brows, you know, that everyone's looking for these days. Nice big fluffy brows. Because I think that structured brow has kind of gone out the window. It's all about the fluff. I rather like the colour of that. It's quite natural. As in, like, it looks like my brow hair. Guys, I really like this. I didn't think I'd like this product so much. Like, I actually thought that I would detest it, to be fair, because I think it's Essence that has a similar brow product to this, and I'm not a big fan. But like, this is the brow I filled in and this is the brow that needs to be filled in, and it's just added a bit of colour to my brow and just kind of filled in all the sparse areas, but makes my brows look really natural. Like, there's no lines or anything on my brows. It just makes my brows look real fluffy and natural. I really like this and so super easy to use. I'm just going to fill in this other brow, and just the shape of the product, it's like it gives like microblading. Because of the tip, it looks like your brows are microbladed. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with my brows. I'm just going to fill in the rest of my brow, like do what I normally do, like shape my brows before I move on to my primer. The Catrice new Tensational 10-in-1 Dream Primer. It has 10 claims, which is an awful lot of claims for a primer. So it's a priming, hydrating, anti-wrinkle, natural glow, anti-pollution, antioxidation, pore minimizing, evens out skin tone, blurs imperfections, UV for protection with an SPF 15. My skin is naturally oily, so the hydrating part of this kind of does scare me. The packaging looks really luxe on it. It comes in this pearl squeezy tube, and then there is a touch of gold and like a black lid with gold in it. It just looks kind of expensive. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. Okay, so it does have a colour, but you can see that it is radiant. Like, look at my hand with nothing on it. And then this, like, it has that radiant feel. And my skin needs a bit of radiance because I just think it looks very flat and not great at the moment, despite the fact that I'm drinking tons of water. It has a slight fragrance to it, and also the colour of it does remind me a little bit of the Essence primer that I love. Yeah, the Fresh and Fit Awake primer, which they discontinued. And this kind of feels a little bit like that, and it kind of gives that same appearance because that has like a radiant effect to it as well. So I'm quite liking this so far. This looks really nice. Like, this is making my skin look radiant. So I'm going to put my foundation on top of this because I have other Catrice products that I want to try, and we're going to see how this primer works out. I am doing a full test of this primer, so I will link that video down below because that might be a bit more intriguing and you can see how the foundation performs and goes on top of it, because I'm not going to do that obviously in this video because it's just Catrice. So next up in my little bag of tricks, I have this Catrice Sun Glow Matte Bronzer. I feel like this came out in their summer collection, but I have no other bronzers to use today, and I really wanted to obviously apply a bronzer before I go in with the other products. So I'm going to give this one a go because I've never actually used it. So why not? Or maybe I have used this. Have I used this? It looks unused, but maybe I've used it once. So I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush with this and just apply it onto the skin. I really like Catrice and Essence's bronzers. Quite natural and they're super affordable. No, I've definitely never used this bronzer before because I would remember this because it's so pretty. Like, it just blends really well onto the skin. I really like this. absolutely gorgeous. It's not too orange. It's not too cool. It's just the perfect kind of bronzing shade for me. If you're wondering what shade I have 30 medium bronze. Fair play, Catrice. So next up, I'm going to give one of their new blushes a go. This is the Glow and Multicolor Blush Box. This is in It's Wine O'Clock. I loved the name of this. I showed this in one of my vlogs. I just thought the name of it was epic. Loved it. I'm going to take that on a blush brush. We're just going to apply it to my cheeks to see what I think. Ooh, there's a lot of kickback from that. A lot of kickback. Powder central. Just be careful. It's quite a nice rosy colour. You literally need to dab your brush into this though, because it picks up so much of the product, which can be a good or a bad thing. And I'm all about blush this summer. I know we're in autumn now, but I'm really getting back into blush. I used to love it when I was like in college and a little bit younger. Actually, I used to wear way too much of it, but I'm getting back into the whole vibe of it. I really like that. Again, it's a little bit powdery, so just do be warned when you are applying it. You don't go OTT with it. So I have this Luminous Highlight and Bronze Glow palette. I should have possibly used the bronzer in this. However, the bronzer in this is quite shimmery. 2 highlight shades and a bronzing shade in this little palette, which is lovely. So the bronzer is actually a little bit too pale for me, and it's a little bit too shimmery, but definitely if you had paler skin and you're into like shimmery bronzers, I'd go with it. Then it has a gold highlight in the middle that's gorgeous, and then this kind of creamy highlight on the end. There is the 3 shades on the back of my hand. So I think the bronze shade could be used on lighter skin tones as a bronzer, or on darker skin tones as a highlight. And then these 2 shades are just gorgeous. So the center one definitely for more paler skin tones, and then the gold is the one I'm actually going to check out. I'll apply it up here. Ooh, that's really pretty. That's not like a shimmery highlight at all. It's like my skin is glowing from the inside out. I really like that. Oh my god, I actually love that. And it's really easy to build up. That's actually a gorgeous highlight. It's quite subtle, but at the same time it just, you know, it has the impact. So I'm just going to apply a bit of that over my brow here as well. Oh my god, I absolutely love that. I'm going to apply a bit to my nose. It has like the really subtle, beautiful glow that when you look face on, it's not like you can really see it, but then when you turn, you know, it gives you that bam, bam highlight. I'm going to take a little bit of the lighter shade on my finger and just going to apply that to my Cupid's bow. Do you know what? These shades actually remind me of the Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette, you know, that looks like it has like the trio shades. I wasn't mad about it because it was just very expensive for what it was. So this is €7.90, so it's €8. So €8 basically for 3 products. I think that's really, really good. And like I said, the Hourglass Ambient Lighting palette that I had, I wanted it to kind of look like this, but it never really did on my skin. It just looked like nothing. I think this is actually going to be one of my new favourite products. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is called Feel Gold as well, if you're just wondering. And it has a soft highlighter, that's the lighter shade, the highlighter in the middle, and the bronzing highlighter. So something in it for, I think, all different types of skin tones, depending on what like sort of bronze or highlight you're looking for. Next up, I'm going to do my lashes. And the mascara I have is the Iconista. Wow, can't say that. Lash Millionaire, and this is waterproof, a waterproof mascara, sorry. And this has a teeny tiny wand. Again, I showed this in one of my vlogs. It does take off an awful lot of product when you pull it out, like it can look a bit gloopy. I'm just gonna like rub off the excess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and coat my lashes with this and see what we think. It's a very unusual wand, like even applying the mascara is unusual, but that gives me really flared out lashes. Thank God I wiped off the excess, because I feel like there's a lot of product getting onto my lashes. Wow, that's really done something to my lashes. I am very impressed with that mascara. And normally I'm not mad about waterproof formulas. I just don't like them. They're usually a bit dry. It's nothing to do with them coming off or anything like that. It's literally got to do with them applying. They don't apply great to my lashes. Don't you just hate when your mascara is going well and then the next thing you get like a little bit on the lower lash line? That's what's just after happening to me. I am so sad about that. Okay, I'm going to apply mascara to this other eye and try and clean up whatever the hell happened down here before I apply their eyelashes. Yes, Catrice have eyelashes now. So we're going to talk about these eyelashes and put them on, and they're really natural. These are called the volume lashes, but they look really nice for days where you just want a little bit more oomph in your lashes. So anyway, I'm going to apply mascara to this eye and then we'll come back and put the lashes on. I'm going to take the lash glue from the Catrice kit because why not just see what the lash glue is like. These are going to be really easy to put on. I just have a feeling the band is quite small in them. Those lashes are super easy to put on. Really, really, really easy. And they just like sit on the eyelashes and the band is very well disguised. They look really nice. They're actually quite full and wispy. For me, this is like a daytime lash. I think I may need to trim these lashes though. I have no scissors in sight. So I'm just gonna like stick them on like this, and when I take them off, if they're still usable, I'll cut them down to size. Okay, so I'm going to apply my lip products. They sent me out 2 lipsticks that look like this. These are extremely matte lipsticks. Like they even look super matte in the packaging. So it's like this pinky rose shade and then this like deep mauve shade. I'm gonna go with the deep mauve shade. Sure, why not? And then I want to pair it with the lip gloss that they sent me out, which is one of their plumping lip glosses. I'm obsessed with these. I have a few in my collection, but this one is in the shade Golden Zircon and I just love the look of that. So we're going to apply this lipstick first. I need a lip liner. So I'm just after lining my lips with the first lip liner I could get my hands on, and I'm going to go in with the shade Forbidden Mauve. Sounds lovely. Oh my god, these are so creamy. I really like the shade of that. So pretty. Okay, now I'm going to take the lip gloss and I'm just going to apply this on top. Oh my god, it's like iridescent. It's like a duochrome gloss. Is there anything better? Big fan of the gloss. I love it. Okay guys, I think that's everything. Yeah, it is everything. I'm really impressed with like the new stuff that Catrice have brought out. I love Catrice and I love Essence. I just think they're just amazing brands. I know I get asked all the time like where you can buy Catrice and Essence. I buy mine in Pennies in Ireland. I know you can get Essence in Wilko, I think, in the UK, but I don't know about Catrice. And then I do get asked by some of my European followers, like, where can you get Catrice in Europe? As far as I know, Catrice is made in Germany. I think it's a German brand. Correct me if I'm wrong. So it should be widely available in Germany, and I think some of the products are made in Italy and in France and stuff. So it's a European brand. European. It's a European brand. So I'm presuming you'll be able to get it in most places on the continent. I don't know, but do let me know if anybody is asking where they can get it in their country and you might know. Just, you know, help people out in the comment section, because I don't really know where you can get it. Other than that, contact customer services, I guess, because a lot of people do ask me where you can buy Catrice in certain countries, and I don't really know. I just get sent this from Catrice Ireland. So anyway, that's all that besides. Thank you so much guys for watching today. I must say that there isn't anything that stood out as a bad product. I loved everything. I really liked the mascara. The lashes are amazing. I really loved that brow product. Where is that? This brow product. I thought that was great. The primer, you know, we're not sure yet. The lipstick, oh my god, so creamy. And that duochrome lip gloss, loved. Loved the cheek products. Absolutely obsessed. So Catrice's new products, they're just amazeballs. Highly recommend. Anyway guys, I'm gonna head off and I will talk to all you guys in my next video. If you have any requests for videos that you want to see, do let me know and I'll get them out for you, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.